Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know who's watching these videos, but I found this carb online. Somebody didn't know what they had. They said some place went out of business, and it was just sitting in a box. I mean, they just listed it as a 70s carburetor, but it's actually the exact correct carburetor with the right year, just the exact same numbers as the carb I have, the body, but missing all the parts. So I got lucky on this. So this is what it looks like. If anybody's interested, this is the 76 number matching carb. The number's in there. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it's rebuilt. At least it says it's rebuilt. Let's see, what does it say? Rebuilt by independent rebuilder. So at least now I know what the carb looks like. Interesting. Some of these parts, man, are so hard to find. And this is one of them. Now I'm finding out that coming with cruise control and power windows and power lock, let's see, do I have power locks, and I think it has just like almost every option. It's just a rare car. I mean, it's interesting. Again, I didn't buy it because it was that rare. I just bought it because I knew it was a special edition and I wanted something to do. A little rust. That's it. That's the only rust I can find. Somebody wrote on here. Looks like it says 455R, so it might have come off of 455. But anyway, I just thought it was interesting. So somehow, and I can't find a picture of this yet, you have throttle, I think, somehow throttle, cruise, and kick down. Some combination of these brackets. It all hooks up. And good luck finding a picture of that. And these screws here, I'm not sure that it came with. I thought they came capped. But again, I don't know because I don't have a. Well, I'll look at I got the body of the bottom. Maybe I'm gonna take a look at that and see if it had these adjustment screws. If not, it's pretty cool that it does have them. Anyway, I was just sitting up in here in my office where I do all my thinking about building an engine stand. I don't know. Keeping track of how many times I mowed the lawn since I moved here. 42 times. I did that because I had to buy a mower. It was $200 for someone to mow this place, or I could buy a good mower. It was like $9,000 with tax, but I figure after 3 years, it's paid for. Getting sick of mowing the lawn takes 2.5 hours. It's huge. And then let's see, I'm just gonna hold my camera. I got this weird plant growing out here. You know, I throw all my waste into the, maybe I showed this before, I throw a lot of my, produce waste and stuff out in this, along the edge of the fence, which I the rock went all the way to the fence. Anyway, I just threw all this stuff in here, and this plant just grew, and you can see it's got some kind of squash. I don't know what the heck they are. Let's see if I can zoom in on them. But this thing is just growing like crazy. Anyway, that's it.